Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Tusyara, name 070. I will present midterm morphology about the example of morphemic cutting analysis. There are three morphemes. One, unforgettable, yang tidak dapat dilupakan. Two, irrationality, ketidakteraturan dalam berpikir atau tidak masuk akal. Three, monumentalis, diabadikan atau dibuat menjadi monumen. Unforgettable, the roots of forget, yaitu melupakan. Unforgettable is a adjective that cannot be forgotten. Acting sick from not plus forgettable. Prefix of negation, Old English from Proto-Germanic means not. Forgettable adjective, 1827 from forget plus able. First, attested in translation from German by Carlyle. Forget is verb, Middle English forgotten from Old English forgotten, was the power of recalling to the mind, failed to remember, neglect inadvertently. Able from Latin, belief that indicates ability or possibility. Next, unforgettable. Un plus forget is unforget. Unforget plus able, unforgettable. Un plus forget plus able is three morphemes. The root is forget, the prefix is un, and the suffix is able. Unforgettable. How many morphemes and root? The word unforgettable consists of three parts: the prefix un, the root forget, and the suffix able. The prefix un attach the negative prefix un to the beginning of a base word to change its meaning to not a derivative of or relate from. As seen in words like unlock, the root forget means to lose the power of recalling to the mind, fail to remember, neglect inadvertently. The suffix able means to capable, liable, allowed, worthy, recurring, or born to be added. Summary: unforgettable, there is one root, forget, but the full word has three parts: a prefix un, a root forget, and a suffix able. Next, irrationality, the root ration or ratio, akal, pikiran, logika. Irrationality is known 15th century, originally in the mathematical sense from irrational plus 80, meaning unreasonableness, absurdity, is from 1640 century. Irrational is adjective, late 15th century, not endowed with reason of speech, etc., from Latin irrationalis or irrationalis, without reason, not rational, from assimilated form of in, not opposite of see in, when, plus rationalis, of or belonging to reason, reasonable, see rational adjective. Meaning illogical, absurd, is attested from 1640 century. Ration is verb, but someone on a fixed allowance 1859 from ration is noun, sense of divide into ration, portion in fixed amounts is from 1870, relate, resonate, reasoning, Middle English, reasonable, late 15th century, meant reasonable. Irrationality, in plus ration, is irration, irration plus all, irrational, irrational plus 80, irrationality, in plus ration plus all plus 80, four morphemes. The root ration, suffix all, the prefix in, the suffix 80. Irrationality, how many morphemes? The word irrationality consists of three parts, of four parts: the prefix ir, the root ration, the suffix al, and the suffix ed. The prefix ir attaches the negative prefix an to the beginning of a base word to change its meaning to not deprive of or release from. As seen in words like unlock, the root ration means to reason logic. The suffix al as an adjective meaning related to. The suffix ed means to the state or nature of. Summary, irrationality, there is one root ration, but the full word has a four parts, a prefix ir, a root ration, a suffix al, and a suffix id. Okay, next, the last is monumentalist. The root is monument, tanda peringatan atau kenangan. Monumentalist is verb. To make monumental, make a permanent record of 1843 from monumental plus s relates monumentalist, monumentalizing, monumentalization, monumental adjective from Latin monumentalis pertaining to a monument, from monumentum, see monument, from 16th century in the low sense of conspicuous, vast, stupendous, comparable to a monument, extended sense of historically prominent, conspicuous to posterity, Spain, 1844. Monument is a noun. Late 13th century, a sepulchre, from Old French monument, grave, tomb, monument, and directly from Latin monumentum, a monument, memorial structure, statue, votive, offering, tomb, memorial record, literally something that remains a derivative of moner, to remain, bring to one's recollection, tell of. Monumentalist, monument plus al is monumental, monumental plus is monumentalist, monumentalist plus id, monumentalist, monumental plus al plus is plus id for morphemes. The roots monument, the suffix al, suffix is, the suffix id. Monumentalist, how many morphemes? The word monumentalist consists of four parts: the root monument, the suffix al, the suffix is, and the suffix id. The root monument means to craft tomb, monument, a monument, memorial structure. The suffix al as an adjective meaning related to. The suffix is means to make a scene word modernist, hospitalist. The suffix id indicates the past tense, showing the action has already happened. Summary, monumentalist, there is one root word, monument, but the full word has four parts: a root monument, a suffix al, a suffix is, and a suffix id. Okay, conclusion, unforgettable 3 morpheme, irrationality 4 morpheme, and monumentality 4 morpheme. Thank you for the attention. See you.